What's going on, Pirates? I'm Wyatt.
And I'm Ainsley.
Today is Friday, September 21st.
And you're watching Pirate TV. Well, it's already that time of year again. Summer break is over and school is back in session.
That's right. It's time to stop tanning and start teaching. Time to stop sleeping in and start studying. It's time to stop.
All right, that's enough. I think they get it.
Although it's a bummer that summer break is over, a brand new year is straight ahead. A year full of new opportunities and experiences.
Like getting into the school.
Hello, my name is Jimmy, and I'm here to show you guys how to use the key fobs at Corinth holders. A lot of people come up to the school and do this. You're not supposed to do that. This is the camera, and if you're a visitor and don't have your ID, what you do is you ring this doorbell and talk to the people at the front office, and they'll let you in. This is the correct way to do it. You put your ID up there and open the door. And then you go inside.
Over the past few weeks, we were hit by Hurricane Florence. Some of the effects were devastating and left many without basic necessities.
To help out those who are left with little, our school began a hurricane drive. Everyone can help out by donating school supplies such as backpacks and textbooks. Let's
learn more about how we can help out.
Many of you are aware of the damages caused by the Hurricane Florence. The Carolinas have been devastated by the storm. One of our very own teachers, Miss Lawhorn, is from New Bern. She has taken it upon herself to set up multiple boxes throughout the school in order to collect supplies for students who have been affected by the storm. You can find the bins at the crossroads, and you can also find it at the front of the school. If you find that you can't donate any supplies, any effort to support, help, or just be kind to the people who were affected by this will be more than enough to help them through this time.
There are donation bins placed all around the school. Make sure you drop your donations into one of those bins.
The hurricane left the road in some pretty dangerous conditions. Make sure you're driving safe to and from the school.
Let's go over some proper parking etiquette so that everyone knows the basic driving and parking rules.
Hey Pirates, today we're going to help everybody understand the rules of our parking lot. This is our parking lot and we want to keep it safe and convenient for everybody that comes and leaves. Remember that parking is a privilege on campus, so make sure to follow all the rules. All students and buses should use the left lane, and all carpools should be in the right. Please park in your assigned spot with the number you chose. Try to give everybody enough space so they can get out of their cars and get back in when they're ready to leave. This is what not to do when parking on campus. Don't come into campus blasting music. Nobody wants to hear your music, so keep it to yourself. Don't show off your exhaust. We know it's loud. And please don't weave in and out of the lanes coming into the school or past people or buses. And remember, Pirates, follow all the rules to keep you and other students safe. Catch you guys later.
That was some great advice. Pirates, make sure you're following these rules so that everyone is safe and out of trouble.
On September 7th, the Pirates played Triple S at a home football game.
Yeah, it sure was a great time. There was so much food, fun, and school spirit throughout the entire night. Many of our Pirates came to represent.
Let's take a look and see what the Purple Haze is all about.
Hi guys, this is Michaela Thompson, Purple Haze President, and I'm part of the class of 2019.
I'm Megan, I'm Purple Haze Vice President, and I'm a senior.
I'm Emma, I'm also Purple Haze Vice President, and I'm a senior.
And we're here to talk to you about Purple Haze.
Woo!
On Friday nights during home games, so we have tailgates from 4 to 6:30, includes free food and a DJ.
And games.
And games! We're going to help you guys go through cheers, we're going to lead you, and we're going to teach you some awesome things to do during the game to support our team and get everyone hyped. And remember, if you don't cheer, do you even go here? Get hyped with Purple Haze on Friday nights, 4 to 6:30.
Woo! So it doesn't matter who you are, if you play a sport, if you don't play a sport, come out, join the student section, have fun.
Our biggest goal this year in Purple Haze is to fill the student section, which has been done in the past, and we can definitely do it this year. And we're also working really hard to show all the sports that we appreciate there.
If you want to see all the cool pictures from Friday nights and get updates about the games, follow us on Instagram at CHHS Purple Haze. We also have a reminder to send out texts for all home games, not just football, just all different sports and all year long, letting you know what's going on. So if you want to be involved in that, text 81010 and then text at CHHS PH18. So if you want to get involved in the remind, text at at CHHSPH18 to 81010. Come on down to the library. We'll be selling used books until October 1st. The first book is $1 and every book after that is 50 cents.
Wow, that sounds like a steal to me.
You said it. These books are so cheap, they're almost a crime. Almost.
Remember, only the books in the special section are marked discard, may be purchased. Otherwise, it will really be a crime.
That's right. Don't delay. Buy your books at the library today.
It looks like the Pirate Nation and the #Corinth crew sure knows how to have a great time.
Yep. Going to the games to #raise the flag and support our team is so much fun. Unfortunately, there aren't many more games left for us seniors.
That's right. This year will be the last for our class of 2019. To kick off their final year of high school, the seniors attended the senior breakfast.
It was a memorable time. The food, superb, and so was being surrounded by my friends.
The seniors also had some advice for us underclassmen. Let's see what they had to say.
To catch my breath, don't say goodbye. Each time I turn away and you grab me.
And what's your advice to underclassmen?
Don't take high school for granted. It's probably one of the best 4 years of your life.
If you don't have a lot of friends and you're moving from anywhere, you will always be able to make friends. People are very nice here. Some may not be as nice to you, but you will be able to make friends.
My personal advice, I messed up my sophomore year, and that really did not help me at all. So you freshmen need to make sure you guys work hard in class, study, and get sleep. Those are the three main important things for high school. And don't slack off, because if you mess up early, it's just going to mess up the rest of your high school.
The same thing as Skylar, just think before you act, because sometimes your decisions can come back to later.
Take care of yourself in classes. Senior year, if you take care of all your stuff before senior year, your senior year will be a breeze.
Turn away and you grab me and you say, please don't let me leave. My face is gray and now it seems this is what.
Okay. What's your favorite high school memory?
Favorite high school memory is probably baseball workouts with Coach Weaver and all the stuff that he put us through.
Not having to be at school as often. I have one class, so I can go home and do whatever I want to do.
Yeah, I really don't have a favorite memory. It's kind of just all a blur. Just, I don't really remember anything.
Seniors, we wish you the best in your last year here, and we're really looking up to you guys.
It's looking like this year will be pretty bittersweet. I know I'll be making the most of my senior year.
Well, it looks like that wraps up our first episode of Pirate TV. I'm looking forward to what this year has in store.
Keep it classy, Pirates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Baby shark doo doo doo.
Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark. Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt doo 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 doo. Let's go hunt doo 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 doo. Let's go hunt doo 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 doo. Let's go hunt. Run away doo 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 doo. Run away doo 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 doo. Run away doo 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 doo. Run away. Safe at last doo 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 doo. Safe at last doo 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 doo. Safe at last doo 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 doo. Safe at last. It's the end doo 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 doo.